Okay. Question 3. I will call it the even case. What is the even case? I have integral of sine square x cosine square x dx. If you notice that the power of sine is even, the power of cosine is even, so both of them are even power, so we have a situation to do. Now, what is the idea? What is the trick that we will do? Is we will use the double angle formula in a different way. Meaning, I will write cosine x as 1 over 2, 1 plus cosine 2x. And whenever I see sine x, I will write it as 1 over 2, 1 minus cosine 2x. That's how we are going to do this question. This is only if we have the even case. So if we have the even case, we need to do this one. But if we don't have the even case, we are fine. But for the even case, this is what it is. Okay, shall we do it here? So in this question, as we said, all what we need to do is we take sine square of x cosine square of x dx equal integral of half 1 plus cosine 2x times 1 minus cosine 2x. Oh, I'm sorry, there's a half here. So it is half of 1 dx. Now, half with half, it will go outside. It will be 1 over 4. Integral of, if you multiply these together, okay, they are difference between two squares. So you have to multiply 1 by 1, 1 by this by this, and this by this. So for simplicity, I'll just write the final answer, which is 1 minus cosine square 2x dx. Okay. So the final answer will be 1 over 4. Integral of 1 is just an x. Minus, we need to do integral of cosine square 2x dx. Or I will just write it in a different color so that we can differentiate it between the rest. So I need to do integral of cosine square of 2x dx. How we will do such an integral? We'll do it in this way. Okay. Do you remember from calculus 1, if we have cosine square, again we use the double angle formula. So this would be integral of half 1 plus cosine. Now we have to take the double of this angle. It's 2x, it will be 4x dx. And then we just continue the same steps. X minus that's 1. Now, if we do this integral, 1 over 2 will go outside. So this will go outside. So it would be 1 over 2. Now, the integral of 1 is just, again, I think, x. The integral of cosine is sine 4x. But because of this 4, I need to divide by 4. Next step, we need to simplify things if we can. This is 1 over 4 x minus half x. If you take this, and then 1 over 8 sine 4x. And the final step would be 1 over 4. X minus half x is half x minus 1 over 8 sine 4x. And the final answer is 1 over 8x minus minus 1 over 32 sine 4x plus a constant. And that's how we do it. So the whole idea is when we have the even power, even case, we need to use the double angle formula, and then we just solve the question the way we did. So what I will do, I will just write question number 3 or 4. Question 4. I want you to evaluate for me. This is kind of an exercise, but I will give you the idea of this one. If you can see, again, we have the even power. So what we need to do, I need to use the double angle formula. I need to take cosine square using 1 over 2, 1 plus cosine 2x. I need to use this formula. How we are going to use it? The only way, and the only possible way, is if we do cosine square x to the power of 2 dx equal it is 1 over 2 1 minus cosine 2x, and the next step, expand the square and do it. What I want you, please write for me the comment the final answer for this question, and write it as question 4 answer as, and write for me the answer. Thank you so much.